Here we are. It is 8:30. We're on our way to Timberland Campground in Shelburne, New Hampshire. Everyone ready?
Yeah!
Yeah, you guys are too?
Yeah.
Alright. See you guys there.
Right past the mountain. Right. I see him. Right there, look. Oh yeah, I see him. I can't take a picture because the front because it's sunny.
We're gonna come around and you're gonna see it again. We're almost there. We're 31 minutes away.
Camper. Had enough of all of you fighting and arguing. Timberland Campground is located in Shelburne, New Hampshire. The drive there was about 4.5 hours, and the second half was a beautiful trip up through the White Mountains. We had Site 64, which featured 30-amp electric and water. The site was clean, although a bit narrow. For a weekend, Site 63, which was between us and the cabin, was not occupied. During this stay, we took advantage of the playground, pool, arcade, fire truck rides, rocket building, and the Anglo-Saxon River. Access to the river was across a set of railroad tracks. Apparently, only 1 to 2 trains run here a week. Then you head down a steep hill. This hill would make it hard to access for guests with limited mobility. You can boat, float, or tube down the river, although the current is swift, and we wouldn't recommend it for young children. For preteens through adults, it offers a fun escape from the heat. At the exit, there's a long field and some chairs where you can let the river wash your cares away as you sit, relax, and watch the sunset.
Over the busy Labor Day weekend, most of the RV sites were full. However, many of the tent sites remained open. Most of these sites seemed to be fairly quiet and within walkable distance to a bathhouse. At night, they had very bright street lamps throughout the campground, which truly hampered a wilderness experience. We know ultimately this is a personal preference, and some may prefer the sense of security it provides. But for us, there were too many and they were much too bright. At Timberland, there is a mix of water electric sites as well as three-way sites, which are mostly 30 amp, with an occasional 50 amp service filtered in. The sites are fairly close together and a bit narrow. If you plan on setting up a screen room or anything else other than your camper and a few chairs, you may find yourself tight on space. If you are looking for more space, we'd recommend booking one of the sites, which is a bit further away from the river, as they offer significantly more space. If you're booking site number 32, you'll want to be aware that the dump station is located right outside the site. You done already? On this trip, we took our family on a short hike up one of the area trails. Along the trail, we ventured somewhat off the main path to play in a small mountain stream before the rain moved in, forcing us to retreat back to the campground.
Yeah, that's easy. Look, get on that option. Oh yeah, sure, we have to follow that and then jump.
We can follow it like all the way down. In the area, there's lots of hiking. Mount Washington is about 30 minutes away, where you can explore the place with the worst recorded weather on Earth via the Auto Road, hiking, or the Cog Railway. Additionally, Santa's Village is located 30 minutes away in Jefferson, New Hampshire. Go ahead, Kelly.
Out in the woods.
And it's starting to rain.
How about 3, 2, 1 blast off? Can you do that? Nice and loud. There you go, buddy. Go get it.
Some of the things we really liked here were the caring and friendly staff, how clean the campground was, that they had a good playground area for the kids to play at. They also had great activities for the kids, and especially the river.
Not so great adventures for this campground were the noisy road, which you could hear most of the night, the bright street lamps scattered throughout the campground, the fact that the river would be hard to access for many disabled or elderly guests, and that some of the campsites were fairly narrow.
Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at Timberland Campground in Shelburne, New Hampshire, and see ourselves returning to the area as our kids get older. With great staff, a beautiful drive, and a river to play on, we definitely recommend you give this one a try as well. Until next time, remember, keep on adventuring.